This is a chicken soup I made. Ta-da! I put a small chicken, some dried bamboo, mushroom, and I just put them all in this slow cooker, and I cooked it for like 4 or 5 hours, I think. I put it to the high, and now it's ready. Oops. Ooh, smells good. Wow, looks good, looking good. I'm gonna have a taste. And I also made some fresh whole grain bread. It's actually my 3rd time making it. The last 2 times both failed, but this time I think I finally got it. Let's take a look. Oh my, it's looking really good. Ooh. Okay, so the timer says it needs another 45 minutes, so I'm gonna wait. Oh no, actually 15 minutes, but I'm gonna wait, and it will be my lunch. Whole grain bread plus homemade chicken soup. Whew.